What the hell is wrong with Microsoft these days? Let's talk about it. So those of you who've followed me since the 90s, I started doing the influencer stuff and writing for different magazines out there as a tech expert, a tech SME. And the big one in the 90s was PC Magazine. So I know what a few of you are saying. What does Windows in 1995 have to do with Windows in 2025? Well, a lot of the lessons I think we learned back in the 90s in terms of the amount of importance put on operating systems and productivity software that we're using is really kind of brought forward today. And I think in looking at what the value this stuff brings to personal work productivity is something that we need to look at. And I think Microsoft is making some core mistakes that's driving disinterest in Windows 11. So the pushback is occurring now since kind of the deadline occurred, and people are looking at what Windows 11 is and what it's driving in terms of requirements. And specifically, the fact of the matter is it's kind of pushing AI, down the throats of the Windows users out there. So people who haven't asked for it or, haven't, even considered AI as a productivity tool for themselves, they're just trying to get an operating system that's able to run their applications and manage their storage systems, manage the security systems, things like that, are suddenly getting these AI native features that they didn't ask for. And they view these features, as a bit of digital bullying, so to speak. But of course, Google's doing the same thing. And other large companies are basically pushing AI into all of their native operating system features if they can do it. And I think people are getting a little sick of it, and they're not feeling like they're getting the best version of the operating system for them. They feel they're getting these features pushed at them and they didn't need them. So users just feel they don't want it. And that's why there's a tremendous amount of pushback these days. Here, this is kind of the most commented view of people are reviewing Windows 11 versus coming from Windows 10. Is they feel the AI stuff is getting pushed down at them, pushed down their throat, so to speak, to what one user told me. You're going to feel better when you use it, and that doesn't seem to be the case with Windows 11. Well, anyway, let me know what you think down in the comments as to if this is something that's bothering you or not, or you're perfectly happy with Windows 11. But there's a lot of pushback out there right now.